Module 6, Common Resume and Cover Letter Mistakes and How to Fix Them. You have covered quite a bit in learning how to craft an impactful resume and a cover letter. It's now time to take a look at some of the common resume and cover letter mistakes that job seekers make and how to fix them. 1. Using the same resume and cover letter for every job. Avoid the one-size-fits-all approach. Customize each resume and cover letter to reflect the specific job description and employer's needs. Show how your experience directly aligns with the role. Number 2, using an outdated objective statement. Replace the objective with a compelling summary that highlights your strengths and value. Show how you meet the employer's needs right from the top. Number 3, being vague about achievements. Don't just list responsibilities. Highlight outcomes and impact. Use quantifiable results. Example, increased sales by 20%. Reduced customer complaints by 40%. 4. Ignoring keywords and ATS optimization. Many companies use applicant tracking systems, the ATS, to screen applications. Incorporate relevant keywords from the job posting. Use standard job titles and clear formatting to improve readability by ATS tools. 5. Overcrowding the document or using small fonts. Keep your resume clean and easy to read. Stick to 10 to 12 point size for body text and use larger font sizes for section headings. Use white space effectively. Don't cram everything into one page if it compromises readability. Number 6, not proofreading enough. Typos and grammar mistakes can undermine your professionalism. Review your documents carefully, then review again. Consider reading it aloud or asking someone else to proofread. Number 7, including references available on request. This phrase is unnecessary and takes up valuable space. Employers assume you will provide references if asked. Use that space to add a skill, an accomplishment, or even a brief testimonial that you may have received from your manager, your co-worker, or even a vendor. You have completed the resume and cover letter webinar. You are now equipped to develop your own impactful resume and cover letter and impress employers. Additional resources have been included to help you do just that. Congratulations and best wishes on your career journey.